Alright guys, so today we're doing a lottery video. I don't do a lot of these anymore. These are great videos for the channel. You can learn a little bit too. Let me start off by giving you a 10-second rundown. You should never play the lottery if you don't have extra money to do it with. Chances are you will not win. All that being said, the last time I played was the last video I posted. I won $114. I put it all back in the lottery because why not, right? Make a great video. We're going to see right now if we come out on it. Been pretty lucky lately. Let's see. Okay, so we have two $30 tickets. We have two $4 tickets, and we have five $10 tickets. And these 50X, this is what I won before on. They were actually blue at that point. They're purple now. So it should be interesting. I don't remember what the heck I did with that last box I was scratching on. So we'll just grab something. We'll do the $30 last. We'll do the cheapos first. I just grabbed my router box here. Just something to hold it up to you guys so you can see what's even going on. And I might have to zoom out just a hair. Yeah. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and just bring her in a smidge here. And let's get right up in this thing. So let's start off with this. We have reveal a money bag, $100 or all to win the prizes shown. We have our winning numbers at the top. I want to go ahead and get rid of the little scratch at 12 and 16. Nothing on the first one. These are only $2 tickets, so we don't expect much. Do you win more on the bigger tickets? Well, I don't know, maybe. 1 and 3 is our winning numbers. Nothing. Total garbage. Okay. Throw off to the side. Let's start doing these $10 tickets. Whoa. I ripped that baby in half. And these were off a new roll, number 2 and 3. These are also a new roll. This is number 3. Yeah, the next one's number 4. So we don't have 1 and 2 off of this roll. So this one we have 5X, 10X, 20X, and 50X. And this is Missouri Lottery. There's been some controversy with Missouri Lottery about them not paying out much anymore. I kind of see that trend, but, you know, whatever. So let's go ahead and do the winning numbers first. 8, 13, 35, 14, 28, and 31. No, 18, 38, 17, 4, 40. That thing focused. Let me do a little bit of that. There we go. 15, 26, 12, 21, 3, 24, 32, 39, 34, and 7. Look at 22, 2, 16, 29, and 37. So we'll scan this after we're done. We'll put it off to the side. We'll come back to it. Go and rip these off here so we can separate them if needed. I mean, we're probably going to win something on this, but, you know, who knows? There's no guarantees with this. 37, 32, 33, 4, 11, and 6. And this is number 4. 38, 24, 1, 28, and 17, 21, 18, 22, 16, 27, 8, 23, and make sure the glare is right on this. 2, 3, 14, 9, 36, 13, 26, and 39. Nothing on that one. By the way, there's nothing on the back of these either. So we got our loser stack is getting pretty big. We're down to 3 more of these $10 ones, and of course the 2 $30 ones. The longer we get in this, the harder it is to recoup, all right? 6, 3, 2, 33, 26, and 31. 8, 13, 17, 9, 35, 4, 14, 23, 28, and 18, 24, 37, 39, 7, 34, 19, 12, 11, 1, and 38. Nothing on that one. Like I said, rescan these. It is easy to overlook one of these when you're doing the video on it. I noticed that because your mind's trying to focus on the camera and on the ticket. 39, 35, 4, 1, 25, and 3, 2, 33, 13, 37, 16, 40, 31, 36, 7, 18. Got a match, number 1. Let's go and scratch it off here. $10. All right. 14, 8, 38, 12, 6, 26, 21, 19, and 35. There's another match right there. $20. Scroll through that real quick. It's so easy to miss anything on here when you're trying to do 2 things at once. 4, nope. 1, yep. 25, nope. And 3. All right. There we go. We'll put that in our winner pile. We got our last one here. 7, 15, 32, 35, 24, 39. 36, 38, 22, 8, 21, 9, 30, 26, 3, 4, 16, 7 is a match. $5. All right. 1, 17, 28, 9, 7, $10, 13, 25, and 31. So far we're in 20, we're in $30 on the winnings, and we're 114 in. So we're down to the last 2 tickets here, and these are number 9 and number 10. As you can see here, number 9, number 10. Number 9 first. I think we'll go out just a little bit on this one, I believe. It's a lot bigger ticket. And winning numbers, you gotta be careful on these big ones too. It's easy to miss one. 41, 20, 48, 46, 54, 39, 56, 4, 3, and 55. 12, 49, 57, 25, 14, 11, 36. Make sure you guys can see it. Keep looking. 32, 42, 42, 8, 59, 13, 53, 22, 34, 33, 7, 1, 27, 6, 37, 47. These bigger ones are a little more tricky. You gotta be real careful on them. Real careful. 52, 16, 58, 23, 21, 43, 45, we got 46, 48, and we got 29. It's like a big fat loser to me. Like I said, that we'll go ahead and rescan all those losers to make sure. And let's go ahead and do the very last one. 50, 16, 5, 59, 51, 55, 18, 43, and 53. 31, 28, 26, 52, 54. Oh, it's always nice to see when you get a win here on the big tickets. So down below, sorry, I should have read this earlier. Match any running numbers, win a prize shown, reveal a $sign, or whatever the hell that is. The prize automatically reveal a 2x, a 10x. God, dirty my finger is. I'm scratching this thing. Reveal a star and win $5 instantly. Reveal cash and win all 30 prizes. $10. 7, 33, 1, 48, 60, 35, 43, that's a winner. Another $10. 36, 49, 57, 23, 39, 22, 15, 17, 9, 20, 45, 27, 19, 16. There's the other 10, probably gonna be a $30 winner, maybe. 58, 44, and 21. All right, so what do we got here? We got our barcodes right there. Let me go ahead and rescan these and make sure we didn't miss anything. All right, all scanned up, all done. We didn't miss anything. We spent $114 and returned $114 tickets in. Got $114 worth of tickets to scratch. I mean, $160. That's kind of about the average slope of things with the old lottery, especially Missouri lottery. Different states are different. They don't like to pay out much anymore. I'm not sure what laws are on that, but it's definitely a government-owned business. So before you buy anything, keep all that in mind. That's it. Good luck, guys. We'll see you later.